In the closing of the Disney-Fox acquisition, it really closes a major chapter for Iger and Disney. I mean, they really needed the Fox assets to make sure that as a streaming franchise, Disney was going to be a legit player. And this is really what I view as the first step in Disney's, potential encroachment on Netflix and others in the streaming world. Yeah, I mean, what they acquired, if you look at 21st Century Fox combined with Disney, now you're talking about, call it 35–40% of all box office content. Now, what they did do, they need to spin off the regional sports networks and sell those separately. And that's something where, from a DOJ perspective, Disney definitely needed to play nice in the sandbox. There would definitely be some job losses. I think a big focus from a price tag of $71 billion was the synergies that they saw in this acquisition. I think there will be some significant cost cuts in some of the non-content areas, and that's really how Disney justified this acquisition in terms of content and cost synergies. So there could definitely be some pain on the Fox perspective, as well as even within Disney. Disney needed Fox for the content. That's the fuel and the engine for the streaming service. Ultimately, Disney would be a fourth or fifth player without the Fox assets. This really gave them the content they needed to go up against the likes of Netflix and actually start to gain significant share. Without the Fox acquisition, they would be on the outside looking in. I think consumers are the potential winner because you have more choices and potentially more ability from a pricing perspective, where I think they eventually, not necessarily now, but over the next 12 to 18 months, a Disney and Netflix could start to get price competitive with each other, especially with Apple coming in as well.